welcome to the Mass Tort Update. In Health this week, medical safety experts are concerned about MRI magnets. There have been a growing number of accidents caused by powerful magnets in the MRI scanners. In recalls and warnings, the FDA announced tough new regulations for use of the acne drug Accutane. The rules focus on preventing miscarriages, birth defects, and abortions associated with the drug. Safety regulators may propose a rule that will require automakers to increase the amount of weight a roof can withstand. The rule is accompanied by a lawsuit immunity provision, however. 180,000 homes and Bonaire Tower heater fans are being recalled. The heaters contain power cord defects, creating possible fire hazards. And in verdicts, all eyes on Vioxx. Last Friday, a $24.3 million compensatory award and a $229 million punitive damages award. Merck's medical defense, which they relied heavily upon, was apparently dispensed with in an hour by the majority of the jury, according to today's Wall Street Journal. And this is going to be a cut on this damage award because of the special provisions in Texas law. Merck will appeal and vow to keep on fighting. In legal decisions also, the New Jersey Appellate Court reversed the lower court and ruled that a suit by a number of cities against the white lead paint pigment companies can go forward. The public nuisance theory was upheld by the court, citing a prior gun case. And a California jury recently ordered Farmers Insurance Group to pay nearly $10 million in bad faith claims that the company could have settled for $60,000 in medical costs. When are they ever going to learn? And in Mississippi, a judge excluded 8 defense experts in the DuPont trial, severely hampering the defense case. The almost 2,000 plaintiffs alleged that they suffered injuries in relation to a titanium dioxide pollutant plant where they lived. And in new cases, stun gun lawsuits are multiplying nationwide by police officers who allege that the weapons are too dangerous to use, and by individuals who claim injury or death after being shocked with the guns. In settlements, a New Jersey judge approved a $185 million settlement of 544 cases by the New Jersey medical malpractice company NICS. Nearly 2.3 million former Sears credit card holders will receive $10 and $15 coupons, boy, that's a big one, to settle claims that the company obtained their credit card data after their account had been closed. A judge has approved an agreement by Tenet Healthcare Group to settle a class action lawsuit accusing its hospitals of overcharging uninsured and underinsured patients. And a class action settlement has also been approved in a South Carolina train wreck incident. Norfolk Southern train killed apparently 9 people and injured another 250 after crashing into parked railroad cars. Morgan Stanley has paid $40 million to 67 women from a fund the company established to settle sex discrimination cases brought by the EEOC. And not much going on in legislation this week because the legislators are mostly on vacation. But Wisconsin businesses are prepping a $2 million campaign after the state Supreme Court threw out the limits on medical malpractice awards and lowered the requirements for receiving punitive damages. And lastly, according to a U.S. Department report from the Justice Department, the number of personal injury cases decided by a trial in federal courts has declined by almost 80% since 1985. Should you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to contact us by clicking on the interface with this broadcast. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.